In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see recently watched reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then head over to Reels. Normally, guys, we can easily switch to the next reel by swiping up to go down to the next reel. And then, let's say if we wanna go back to the recently watched reel, we can easily swipe down to go to the previously reel. And in that way, we can see recently watched reels on Instagram. However, if you close Instagram app and then if you open it up again after a while, and then if you head over to Reels, you can find out that your watched Reels history has been resetted. So now we cannot head over to the Reels we previously watched. The only way to be able to see recently watched reels after a while is to like a reel. Just hit that like button, just like so. And after that, you will be able to find all the reels you have liked. To do that, just head over to your Instagram profile, then tap at these three lines, and then go to your activity. And that's where at the very top we can easily find likes, and once we get into likes, it will show us all the reels and posts you have liked on Instagram. Here are my reels that I've previously liked. I can easily play it again in any time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.